Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Modified Borg Scale Assessment, or test. What is a Modified Borg Scale test? Dyspnea, also known as shortness of breath, is a condition where a person feels difficulty breathing or an uncomfortable sensation of tightness in the chest. Various conditions, including asthma, pneumonia, and other lung diseases, can cause it. This is in addition to physical exertion, such as running or intense exercise. Treatment typically focuses on the underlying condition causing it and may include medications, lifestyle changes, or oxygen therapy. The aim is to focus on strengthening breathing muscles. The scale assigns a numerical rating from 0 to 10, with 0 being no difficulty breathing and 10 indicating the most intense level of difficulty. By using the scale regularly, healthcare professionals can track changes and provide the right treatment. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this test, including doctors and nurses. Here's how to use the Modified Borg scale. The first step is to fill in information at the top and read the description of levels. You'll then need to conduct the assessment and note relevant scores. Finally, complete additional notes and integrate results within a treatment plan. To view a sample assessment of the Modified Borg scale, feel free to visit carepatron.com. You can download and access the scale for free. You can also access the scale through our platform, filter by community and by assessment, and type in the keywords to find the note faster. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.